Friends, today I'm trying to explain you how to assemble this automatic water dispenser which I bought from Flipkart, and we are having a couple of similar models available online to buy from both Amazon and from Flipkart. And this one is an electric one, and with the package we are getting this one, which is supposed to contain the motor. Here you can see the button, right? And it shows that it's taking some DC 5 volt 1200 milliampere and 4 watts. We don't have to bother, we can just charge it with using our mobile charger, that is the USB charger. Okay, the USB charger like this, it is coming with this package. And again there is a tube, a plastic tube, a rubber tube, which we need to connect at the bottom of this device. And there is a stainless steel tube, which will be through which we will be taking the water. You have to connect it like this, and its shape should be like this. And towards the bottom of the motor, we just have to connect this tube like this. Okay, like this. And initially, if it is not having any charge, you can connect this to your USB charging device, so USB charging adapter, or to your laptop or somewhere, and then connect it like this and charge it for at least for 5 minutes. After charging, you can disconnect it, and you can fix it to a 20-liter bottle like this. On the top of the bottle, you don't have to remove that top portion. You just make a hole like this. Okay, this is enough, because it is not working on the vacuum technology, it is actually working with this electric motor, so it is not at all a problem for making any perfect hole here. You just make a hole so that the rubber tube can pass inside, and then just place it like this. Okay, it's like that. After which you can press the button on top, so that we what the amount of water you need as per. So like this, that's it.